This is 3dasset.io, a 3D data marketplace built for 3D Gaussian splatting and a pioneer in Japan, supporting 3D GS since 2024. With industry-leading format support, SOG, SPZ, PLY, RAD, and more, you can archive real spaces, share them with a single URL, embed the viewer into your own website, and even sell your data with flexible rights management. So, what does that actually look like? Here's a real example. This is Izutsuya, a 100-year-old traditional wooden house in the heart of Tokyo, scanned with Xgrids. And remember, this isn't video and it isn't CG. It's 3D Gaussian splatting. You're moving through a real, captured space. The texture of the wood, the light, even the atmosphere, all rendered right in your browser. No apps, no downloads, just a link. Here's the second floor. This building survived the Great Kanto earthquake and the war, and now its 100 years of history are preserved as data, semi-permanently, backed by blockchain. This is what digital archiving looks like on 3dasset.io. And the third floor, every beam and every window, captured as it is. If you're scanning with LiDAR, working with photogrammetry, or looking for a place to publish your 3D data, this is your home. 3dasset.io, the marketplace for 3D Gaussian splatting. Start publishing your world today.